Hello and good morning. This morning myself and Sweety, we've come out to Heath Country Park. I just want to check it out really and see if there's any good places to set up my radio when I come out next time. I've still got a bit more prep work to do at home for the radio, so I'm going to come out today and just have a look at the location itself. So yeah, it's really nice here. It's got a really nice visitor centre, cafe and toilets and whatnot. Parking, but my bongo won't fit. There's a parking gate which is at 2 metres rather than the standard 2 metres 10. Don't see any other vans in here my size. I've parked over the road. Anyway, so let's go and have a walk around and check it out. So I've just come up a little bit from where I was previously. I'm mindful there's a play set over there, and I don't upset anyone by filming their youngsters and whatnot. But yeah, it's very nice benches here. They're a bit busy, but yeah, these are quieter away from. I dare say it could get very busy here. They're nice benches all the same, and quite a nice. You got a bird hide there as well, so I don't know whether people would appreciate people setting up here, but still very nice location. Just coming for the walk, I'm really enjoying this. It's beautiful. Right, let's crack on and have a look around, but it's a beautiful day, nice and quiet. Let's go and check out a walk. So I've not had to come far on our little walk, and I've found this lovely setting here, some beautiful trees and some 3 bench parks to sit on. It's a really fantastic place to operate from, so I can see me taking a 705 here and doing a bit of portable QRP operation from this location. Didn't take long at all, so I'm really looking forward. There's plenty of trees to hook a wire up into, or I might just bring along my fiberglass pole and use that. I've not done throwing wires up into trees. If I get it up, I may not be able to get it down, so maybe something I can learn from my radio amateur colleagues. But yeah, brilliant location. Glad to see some tables here and some lovely surroundings. It's quite, it's the busiest time of day I think here, Sunday morning, families and dogs and whatnot, but still, that won't bother me. Be quite happy if some people ask me what I was doing. Yeah, it's looking good. I'll carry on with my walk. Sweety's having a good sniff. Hi. Catch you later. Right, sorry for being a little bit out of breath. Anyway, so we're on the Viewpoint trail around the country park, and I'd say it's absolutely beautiful. Just come a little bit off it. You do have a sign for it down there, but yeah, I mean, got a nice bench to sit on here. There's one up there as well. Nice bench to sit on. But it's a stunning view, lovely place to come. Yeah, and plenty of places to sit up here as well. I mean, the seat's not as comfortable here. It's a bit hard on your posterior, but equally so, it's a beautiful location, isn't it? I think you can agree with that. Beautiful scenery. Operating from here, it'd be very nice. Sweety's enjoying his walk. Hey, Sweety. Hey. Thank you. Yeah. But yeah, so far so good. I'm enjoying the walk as well. It's an absolutely beautiful place. Friendly people here as well. Yeah, but yeah, I should carry on having a walk around, see what else I could find. But I thought I'd share this with you. It's really quite nice. Anyway, let's carry on. So I thought I'd stop and make a quick one. It's the first time I've seen some power wires out here. They're well away from anything, and no chairs or seats or anything. But that's the point to make, how much this would affect operation, having these mains power lines nearby, so maybe this side of the park, who knows, because they're doing QRP as well, having these power lines here might affect it. Not sure, but definitely not a place to set up. You want to keep one away from antennas, excuse me, one away from power lines, don't we, Sweety? And otherwise we end up getting rather hot. Anyway, so yeah, this is just on the place just up from where I just last stopped. So yeah, some power lines here, worth noting. One, not to set up, and two, maybe to keep away from this area because it may interfere with the transmission, especially if you're using 5 to 10 watts. So I've encountered some wildlife in the park. First thing I've done is put Sweety on the lead. He's pretty well behaved around other animals, but just to make sure, better be safe, keep on the lead. I'm found another car park here. I don't know if there's a height restriction where I can get my bongo in there. I don't see other high vehicles in there, but yeah, good to know. I'll have a look, see if I can't find on Google Maps, see if there's a way to get in there. It's a good walk. I'm certainly feeling a nice exercise. There we go. I don't know what type of cows they are, but beautiful animals. Anyway, let's keep walking around. I don't think it's too far back to the base now. So I'm back at the van. Yeah, both Sweety and I have really enjoyed at least our visit around the site today. It's been really, really good, and I think I've learnt a lot about the location and what I need to bring with me, which so it's been a good use of the time. Definitely know the layout of the park and where to go. Finding the power lines was really, really good, knowing about that area, and finding all the tables and chairs, you know, where I could possibly set up. So yeah, it's been really nice, and really pleasant people as well. So you know, it's not a lot. There are, you know, a fair few people here, even though it's January. But you know, they're good people. I don't see a risk to my radio or myself by setting up in the park, and you know, people accidentally damaging it or something like that. But yeah, people are sensible, and be a good place to come and come for an activation. So I've still got a few more things to do back at home. I've got a mast I need to prepare for an NPED, but I think I could come out here, you know, almost immediately with just my radio and any one of my other antennas like the mag loop or the vertical whip, give them a try. But yeah, really lovely place to come. Really enjoyed it, and it's so nice to see so many nice people having a really good time. Hey, thanks for now.